Day by day, Butterfly Fair has become an important event of Jahangirnagar University because it has created a sense of interest for butterflies among the general mass, including children. A day-long butterfly fair is organized by Jahangirnagar University in every year, and this year the fair has held on 10 December 2021. Professor Dr. Manohar, the founder of the Butterfly Park and Research Center in Jahangirnagar University, is the convener of the fair. Place of the event was Johir Raihan Auditorium, and Treasurer Professor Dr. Rashida Akhtar was the chief guest who inaugurated the colorful butterfly fair by releasing balloons. Every year, the day is planned to initiate the people, particularly the children, with different types of butterflies with entertainment. Various competitions like a painting competition, a butterfly-shaped kite flying competition, a debate competition, a butterfly identification competition are arranged by the Fair Authority for Children. Moreover, a butterfly exhibition, photography exhibition, butterfly race, poem recitation, cultural program, prize giving ceremony, and screening of a documentary named Butterfly and Its Habitat are featured in the fair. The whole campus remains in a festive mode during the fair, and from the morning to the evening, people of all ages come to participate in the fair to watch the insect spreading in nature. The fair is a great source of refreshment as people become happy to see various butterflies in the campus despite of their busy life. The fair is organized by the Department of Zoology in association with International Union for Conservation of Nature and Prakriti O Jibon Foundation. The slogan of the day is Urle Akash Projapati, Prakriti Paye Notun Goti, meaning when the butterfly takes wing, nature gets new pace. The fair of 2021, a student of zoology, Department of Dhaka University named Ashikur Rahman was won the Butterfly Young Enthusiast Award, and a preservationist named Muhammad Hasmat Ali from Shirajganj was won the Butterfly Award as their contributions were prominent in conservation of butterflies. The Zoology Department of Jahangirnagar University has been arranging the fair since 2010 in association with CUTE Limited, Prakriti O Jibon Foundation, and Channel I to spread the importance of conserving butterflies in the environment among people. The purpose of the fair is to aware people about the significance of butterflies not only as a matter of beauty but also a protector of the ecosystem. The fair highlights that everyone should save the butterflies to save the nature because without butterflies there will be no proper environment. Moreover, the fair is an academic and preservation awareness approach for academicians, researchers, and young generation as well. Jahangirnagar University is the perfect place for holding the butterfly fair because more than 110 species of butterflies can be seen on the university. Unfortunately, the number of species is decreasing in an alarming rate, and thus the celebration of Butterfly Fair is one of the most effective initiatives to rescue the butterflies.